fidget, so let's go. Okay.
Alright, so this is my calling bell. It's not a fidget. First fidget.
So this one's broken, but don't mind it.
So here we have one of those poppers, but it's extra large size.
What do you rate it?
I think it's really cool.
What do you rate it? 10 out?
I would give it 8 out of 10. Next fidget. Next we have these like ramen noodles.
But I don't.
Get out of here. Next we have these ramen noodles. They're really fun to like do this
I'm
with.
gonna try to get like I have the same
What do you rate
costume, but
it?
I don't have it.
I'll give it a 4 out of 10 since it's like so tiny. Next fidget. Next we have this little Easter egg. Can you see it? So it's really squishy. I love squishies that like reform themselves. So I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Next one. Oh, thank you. You look good that time. So it's one of those squishy things, but it has hair. It's so sensory, and I really like it. 8 out of 10. It's the same thing, but with no hair. So 8 out of 10. Next.
Are you guys twins?
Easy.
You and the other girl?
I don't have a model.
Are you sisters?
I don't know how to question.
Oh, yeah, we're sisters.
I really didn't want to bring my Nerf guns here.
So next we have this fidget spinner. It's heavy weighted. It's nice.
Sometimes I run them over. It's so
Okay, so what do you rate it?
I rated a 5 out of 10 since it's one of those models. Oh,
You're
it's one of those reforming squishies.
Candy.
One of those reforming squishies. So I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Is that the last one, or do we have a
Next,
scented?
next, she doesn't know, but we're gonna do a surprise next.
Or made from
Next we have this hot saw.
which were
So we're just gonna.
The,
I'm gonna give it a probably a 10 out of 10.
She's
This one wins.
She's 25.
So we have to hurry because my items are almost done. But it's okay. So we got the bell, and we each got candy. Wait, don't eat it yet. So we're gonna get
Oh, my knees.
I know.
Pain.
Masha and the bear.
Okay, so I'm gonna set a timer.
Although they're not spooky, they have happy endings.
Masha means Clara.
Clara?
And
Clever spooky stories.
it's Russian for Clara, yeah.
Hey, I'm not Russian.
I thought you were gonna say hot dog because she looks like a hot dog.
Okay, so guys,
What are you gonna be?
how fast we have to slow down these and eat them, okay? Okay, so 3, 2, 1,
Don't be a Christian.
Say
But the
apple.
Japanese guy says no.
You guys are freaking smart.
So they kill him.
I never
But
even
guess,
knew that.
but no matter what he did,
What are you dressing up
he
as?
immediately goes
The Mad Hatter.
no
Threw
purgatory.
herself into
No,
a
nothing.
fire when she got her teeth knocked out.
Oh my. What are you gonna be?
So you wanna play some bear?
Probably think I was a llama.
Yeah.
A lemur?
Of Lima. Lima, Peru.
Like a lemur?
No, Lima,
an animal.
Peru. Lima,
Who's that?
Peru. It's a
Um,
place in Peru.
You're gonna be a place?
No,
It's
she's
just-
gonna be a person who lived in Peru.
Just a random person that lived there?
No, a slave.
Oh.
Ow, ow,
I'm gonna be,
Nope.
I'm gonna be the Mad Hatter from Alice in Wonderland.
ow.
I kind of did
I'm
want
wearing a
to.
big hat.
I was also thinking of dressing up like Willy Wonka and getting Hershey
Oh.
bars
And
put it
putting
in
Willy
paint.
Wonka
That's
And
smart.
printing
Wonka bar.
Okay,
and
so one.
printing.
Throwing the chocolate.
And then
factory
everybody
is
will
the
give you
best.
chocolate because you really want.
Yeah, and I'd put like a sticker
that
on it
lemon
that said
lime?
Willy Wonka.
Is that lemon
the
lime,
chocolate.
Evelyn?
Make sure you don't bite it off and so you don't choke. Yeah, be careful.
I ate 2 Kinder Surprise
Don't laugh
eggs.
and like accidentally suck it down. I did that once and it choked really bad. So be careful.
Ooh.
Be
Eddie,
careful.
stop being weird.
You're
Don't
weird.
fling shoes at you. Oh, you're on video?
I'm ready.
Kinder 8.
You're not on video. Me too.
That's why you have banding.
And I also had to have
I'm done.
stitches in my
I've been done.
Okay, guys, so she beat me.
Yep.
From what?
From when
Yeah.
From
So,
when you crash that bike?
Next lollipop.
Yep.
Oh my
Next
god.
lollipop.
Three.
2, 1.
It was like down. To the
Don't choke.
bone.
I don't like this
It
one.
was wide
But
open,
swan.
and even I didn't want to see it. But actually, I did.
My brother doing a TikTok
I was
is
like,
awkward.
what does it look
You
like?
can see the bone?
I have a TikTok account.
Ah.
But my brother's more awkward than you. I'm not saying you're awkward, I'm saying he's awkward.
Luis does weird stuff.
Are you dancing?
Yeah, I'm just making your video. I'm just trying
Cover up
to
the internet.
make the background so
Funny.
Oh,
Look
dang
right
it,
back.
dang it.
and to see if they'll try it again. Oh, also, do you mind if I go
Even I don't
go
want
inside and help Shannon find the Nerf guns?
Even I don't want to look
Okay,
at it.
thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't want to look at this. So that's why I got a band-aid myself. Because my dad
She bit me again.
was tall.
Hey guys,
And
well,
my mom was busy
um,
talking to
thanks for
someone
watching the
else.
video. Bye.
Chelsea.